Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to log in Subway Surfer with Facebook. If you want to log into Subway Surfer account with Facebook so that you can quickly sync your game progress across devices, this video is for you. First of all, download and open up Subway Surfer application on your device. Wait for the game to load once you open it up. And then, from the main home screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu. You can save your progress and restore it on multiple devices by choosing either Play Games Connect or Facebook Connect option at the top. To log in with your Facebook, click the Connect button under Facebook, and then sign in with your Facebook account's credential when prompted. After signing in with your Facebook account's credential, click on Continue, and you will then be able to log in to Subway Surfers with your Facebook account. Now you have successfully logged in, you are all set, and your progress is now synced, and you can play across multiple devices seamlessly. That's how you easily and successfully log into Subway Surfers with Facebook. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.